what's up everybody? Steve with the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel. And on this winter day, I'm out on a local lake trying to find some bass. It's pretty cold, but it is really honestly kind of a beautiful day. It was 35 when I launched about an hour ago. It's in the 40s right now. Projected to have a high of like 56, but it won't hit that until we're already off the water. It's the middle of December. We're creeping up on Christmas here, and you won't get a lot more days like this, and I wanted to take advantage. I honestly haven't been out on the water since I think right before Halloween. Like, it's been a stretch, but I have some changes I have to make to the kayak and the trailer and, you know, your typical stuff getting ready for 2024 before the tournament season starts and the spawn and all that. So I won't have a lot more chances to get this kayak out on the water on days like this. So I want to take advantage. I also just got a shipment of several brand new FX Extreme Custom fishing rods that I wanted to put to the test. I'll put a link down below to the models that I'm using today for cranking, jigging, and chatterbait, and you guys can check those out for yourself. And you know what, I'm gonna put a link down below to this hoodie also, because I'm literally just wearing a long sleeve sun shirt underneath of this and this hoodie, and it is super warm. It is really hard these days to find a hoodie that is heavy and quality, and it is a great hoodie. And it's got a cool feature on the front pocket where you put your hands through like normal, but it's also got a zipper compartment that goes through there. That's perfect for some hand warmers. So check out the links down below and give my sponsor, FX Extreme Custom Rods, a little bit of love. Tell them Penguin Outdoors sent you. So I've been out here about an hour, and I haven't had so much as a nibble yet. And I'm actually not really all that surprised by that. The water is the lowest on this lake that I have ever seen it. It is cold, and I'm pretty committed to the chatterbait game. I'm not ready to let it go, y'all. I'm just not, but I'm gonna hit a couple different spots. I only have a few hours to fish, but we're gonna take advantage of them and enjoy the weather and hopefully get into some fish. And if we don't, I guess I'll show you some cool scenery and me casting lures endlessly trying to get something. My arm's already tired. You can't take time off like I did. You got to keep them fishing muscles working. So let's get into it, guys. Onward, Wind Chun. There we go. That was lucky. This time of year, but it has been money all through 2023, so how can I not fish it? All right, let's go up by the all right, let's cruise up by the dam and go work a jig on the rocks. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate you joining me today. We didn't get any fish, but we got out on the water, got to test out some new gear, got to enjoy the little bit of sunshine and just kind of soak it all in before ice and snow takes over everything. So we'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and check out the channel page for lots of great content. Tight lines.